Welcome back. Deputy CM Francis de Souza's passport was held up by the Canadian Embassy in Mumbai. Passport was sent to Mumbai for granting visa to Canada, but unfortunately it was delayed for almost a month. The delay resulted in cancellation of Deputy CM's tour to Holland and Israel. After a month-long wait, the passport has now been sent to Goa, granting him a long-term visa to Canada.
It's not just the common man who faces hardships while getting visa, but even politicos and ministers face the same problem. This time it was the turn of our own Deputy Chief Minister Francis de Souza. He had two scheduled official tours abroad, one in Israel and another in Holland, but both the official trips had to be cancelled due to unavailability of passport. Francis de Souza had planned an official trip to Holland, Goa's declared award winner for Best E-Governance. The function is scheduled on 13th May, but the trip had to be cancelled. Collector of North Goa Meher Vardhan received the award in Holland as Deputy CM could not make it. The next official tour for the Deputy CM was scheduled to be Israel. Although 45 members were supposed to visit Israel, it was a study tour for the members. Most of the members were from the GCCI. The tour was scheduled on 25th May, but that too was cancelled as passport was stuck up in Mumbai. Now the Deputy Chief Minister has planned for an official cum personal tour to Canada. Francis de Souza received his passport after a month-long wait. Canadian Embassy in Mumbai has granted Deputy CM a long-term visa to Canada. He will be leaving for Canada on 9th June. After a long wait following visa fiasco and end of vacation, Francis de Souza has planned a trip to Canada. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Summer scorched people are awaiting arrival of monsoon with a bated breath. Pre-monsoon rain made its presence felt at Madgaon with heavy showers on Monday evening. It was drizzling at many places in Goa. This was the result of southwest winds progressing and accumulating clouds over major parts of Karnataka and Kerala. Monsoon is expected in Goa by 6th June.
Monsoon is expected in Goa by 6th June as Indian Meteorological Department weather forecast images predicts monsoon in Kerala by 1st June and in Karnataka by 5th June. Progressing of the southwestern monsoon winds resulted in hovering of dark clouds over major portion of Karnataka and many parts of Goa. Madgaon witnessed heavy showers as compared to other parts of the state. These are the places where pre-monsoon showers made its presence felt in Goa on Monday. It was heavily raining in Madgaon. Parts of Mapsa and Aldona received drizzling. Again, it was heavily raining in Keri Sattari. Parts of Sankli received mild showers. Madkai received mild showers. Part of Lotli, it was drizzling. Rivana and Kolam received mild showers. It was heavily raining at Kurchade and Bali. Sangye, Maye and Usgaon received mild showers while it was drizzling at Savaivere. Kumarzuar too received mild showers. It was heavily raining in Fatolda while in Pirna, Saligaon and Banauli it was drizzling. Many places in Goa witnessed dark clouds and thunders on late Monday evening. People were startled with sudden showers, but certainly it was a pleasant surprise. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. You can also meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.